Hey YouTube, so hey look, I'm in a hotel room. It's been a while since I've been in a hotel room, so as you can see, I'm in a hotel room. Abdu is chilling out in the bed, and I got my laptop set up. I'm going to be doing a lot of video editing, including this video, so in the next few days I'm going to have a few videos be able to go up. Truck's in the shop, and I'm going to set you guys on this TV, kind of where I put this before and did video, and never mind, that's not going to work, so put you on top of the lamp. Like that, perfect. So, let me turn that off so it doesn't heat. Oh, never mind, leave that on. So, I'm not getting a new truck. We got it over here to Phoenix and there's no new trucks, so I'm stuck in my 16, or I could have changed to a 15, but why go to an older truck than stay in my 16? So, we basically came out to Phoenix for absolutely no reason, but going up to Salt Lake and then coming down to Phoenix, it was a nice ride. We went through the canyon, Grand Canyon on the west side. If you're watching my Instagram, you saw that. I got some video that I uploaded too, and kind of talked about that before. Smash the subscribe button on that video. I'm watching. Anyway, so not getting a new truck. That kind of sucks. But we are getting all new brake pads all the way around, all new drums all the way around. We're probably going to get a whole new set of tires all the way around. They're doing some work on the coolant system of the truck because there was a small leak that was found there, so that's all getting fixed. We're going to go over to the body shop, so we're going to get some body work done on it because the fairings got cracked out a little bit. So yeah, there's like a laundry list of things that are doing, and they got started on it today. And they're saying that they should have it done by tomorrow. I'm hoping so. And the power inverter is going to hopefully be fixed as well. But that's not a guarantee because I don't have any medical reasons to have one. Let's hope it gets fixed. If not, I can't really use my laptop. That really sucks. Anyway, so that's the update with that. I'm going to try to get them to give me, when I go back to Texas, I got friends down there in dispatch and whatnot, so I'm going to try to get them to give me a trade-in truck so I can come back up here and trade in my truck for a 19 or even an 18 or whatever. If somebody quits and they drop a 19 or an 18 in Texas, I'll probably try to grab it as well. I don't know, but for right now, no new truck. I kind of knew when I came up here there would be no guarantee of one, and sure enough, there's not a guarantee. But anyway, I got some video of my quadcopter that I picked up, but it takes a micro SD card, and guess what? I forgot the micro SD card at the inside the truck. But let's go over there real quick and let me put my shoes back on because these floors are always nasty as hell. So, I got an unboxing video. I'm going to upload and edit here in a little bit and get this up. And that's probably going to be after this video. But yeah, this quadcopter, I've flown it now quite a few times, over an hour. I got 2 fresh batteries and one right here. This one is already, it has some flight time on it, so I don't know how long this one will last. But I got some video. I'm going to be uploading it. And then also, if we come across some really cool scenery, instead of me just using this camera, I can now use that. And we're going to get some really awesome video with this. So that's soon to come. I'm going to get some more videos using that. And yeah, so told you guys, got some awesome content coming. I'm constantly upgrading, my content, or I'm trying to. And going back, I'm going to ask, hey, if you like the content I make, you like my videos, you like the help I receive, I give, hey, please support me on Patreon. The link is down below. Donate a little bit, $1 or whatever a month, whatever you can afford. I'll be really thankful for that. And then, for my Patreon and non-Patreon supporters, it's not, you don't have to be, but when I do buy some property, I do want to do like a cookout type thing and invite all my YouTube subscribers, my students, or whoever wants to come out to that. And Patreon will be a big help in me being able to afford doing that you know, from food, supplies, this, that, whatever, or even the property payments. So, you know, kind of long speech, but if you could hit that, support button and, help out, I'd be thankful. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, comment, and all that kind of good stuff. See you on the next one. Hopefully with some awesome video from that quadcopter that's sitting over on that table. And, yeah. Anyway, that's that. See you on the next one. Later. I think I said that a few times.